When an SHTF scenario or another emergency leaves you with limited options for preserving your food, knowing how to smoke and preserve meat becomes a super high priority. This time-honored tradition imparts and unique flavors. It significantly extends the shelf life of food, which can be crucial for survival. But the type of wood you choose is critical to the outcome. Not all woods are suitable for smoking, and some can even be harmful. So we're going to take a look at the various woods that should be avoided when smoking or preserving meat, including a lot of commonly known and some lesser known types that you might find in your area. The importance of choosing the right wood. The choice of wood in smoking and preserving meat significantly influences the flavor and the safety of the final product. Hardwoods like oak and hickory are typically preferred due to their dense nature and their slow burning properties, which provide a consistent and pleasant smoky flavor. On the other hand, certain woods can impart unpleasant tastes or harmful toxins, and obviously those are the ones to avoid. So, woods to avoid in smoking and preserving meat. Pine, fir, and spruce. These softwoods contain a high amount of resin and sap. When burned, they release soot and tar, which can coat the meat with a bitter taste and unpleasant texture. Additionally, the sap can create a thick smoke that irritates the respiratory system. Cedar. While cedar is popular for grilling fish, it is not suitable for smoking meat. The wood contains oils that can impart a strong, overpowering flavor, and in some cases it can produce toxic compounds when burned at high temperatures. Eucalyptus. Eucalyptus wood has a high oil content and produces a strong medicinal smoke that can make meat taste yucky. The intense aroma of eucalyptus can dominate the flavor of the meat, making it unpalatable. Sycamore. Sycamore wood is known for its bitter smoke, which can ruin the flavor of smoked meats. Its high moisture content also makes it difficult to burn properly, leading to an inconsistent smoke. Elm. Elm wood can produce a pungent smoke that is not good to smoke meat with. The wood also tends to be stringy and difficult to split, making it impractical to use in smoking. Sweet gum. Sweet gum wood emits a foul-smelling smoke that can taint the flavor of meat. Its unpredictable burning properties also make it a poor choice for smoking. And some lesser-known woods to avoid. Oleander. Oleander is highly toxic and should never be used for smoking. Burning oleander can release deadly toxins that can contaminate the meat and pose serious health risks to people consuming it. Elderberry. Although elderberry bushes produce edible berries when they're cooked, the wood and the leaves contain cyanogenic glycosides, which can release cyanide when burned. This makes elderberry wood extremely hazardous for smoking meat. Rhododendron. Similar to oleander, rhododendron is toxic. Burning this wood can release harmful chemicals that can contaminate food and harm people. In an emergency or SHTF situation, or even if you're just starting out learning about this method of food preservation in your everyday life, ensuring the safety and flavor of your preserved meat is obviously very important. Choosing the right wood for smoking and preserving meat is essential for both flavor and safety. While hardwoods like oak, hickory, and maple are excellent choices, many other woods can negatively impact the taste and the safety of smoked meats. By carefully selecting appropriate woods, people can ensure that their smoked meats are both delicious and safe to eat, even in the most challenging circumstances. Do you smoke meat now? What woods do you prefer to use? And were you aware of all the types of woods you shouldn't use? Let me know in the comments.